Everyone, today we are going to do the big friend. Now the big friend is what makes 10. Like 9 and 1 makes 10, 8 and 2 makes 10, 7 and 3 makes 10, 6 and 4 makes 10, 5 and 5 makes 10. Now adding numbers from 5 and above, you have to use the big friend. For example, let's do the 9 and 1 first. The friend of 9 is 1. To add, you have to add the formula plus 10. So 9. So you have to use this in a small soroban. So 9. So I'm just going to use my hand, but technically you just have to use this finger. So 9. Plus 1. We do not have 1 on this rod. And we know that the friend of 1 is 9. So minus 9 plus 10. And if you want to teach right away how to properly execute the hand, you do this way. 9 plus 1 is minus 9 plus 10. And the answer is 10. Now let's do the friend of 2. 9, which is this way. If you use the small soroban, it should be one movement. 9 plus 2. There is no 2 on this rod. So the friend of 2 is 8. So minus 8. Minus 8 plus 10. And the answer is 10 and 1, which is 11. Now let's do 9. So I'm just going to use this because it's a big soroban. Plus 3. And we don't have 3. And we know that the friend of 3 is 7. So minus 7 plus 10. And the answer is 12. Now let's do 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. And we know that the friend of 4 is 6. So minus 6, oops, so you do it simultaneously, minus 6 plus 10, and the answer is 13. Now let's do 9 plus 5. We don't have a 5, and we know that the friend of 5 is 5, so minus 5 plus 10, and the answer is 14. Now let's try 9 plus 6. We don't have a 6 here. So the friend of 6 is 4. So minus 4 plus 10. And the answer is 15. Now let's try 9 minus 7. And we know that the friend of 7 is 3. So minus 3 plus 10. The answer is 16. Now, let's do 9 plus 8. Well, we do not have a 2 here. The friend of 8 is 2. Minus 2 plus 10. And the answer is 17. Now, let's do 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9. Who's the friend of 9? It's 1. So, minus 1 plus 10. And the answer is 18.